In this video, I'm going to show you how to use flash surveys in Jump. Flash surveys are available for account owners on the Grow plan and Insights admins. Flash surveys let you ask questions about past meetings and get answers based on your meeting transcripts so you can quickly spot patterns and get insights. Before we jump in, a quick note. Flash surveys only work for meetings that have transcripts available. So if you have your account set up to delete transcripts after a certain amount of days, older meetings beyond that window will not be included. To use flash surveys, head to Insights, then Flash Surveys, and choose Create New Flash Survey. Give your flash survey a name in this box. Next, add your first question. You can add multiple questions, but for this one I'm going to ask, did the client mention any held away assets? Then, choose the question type from the drop-down. Pick the option that best matches how you want the answers to come back. Now, use the panel on the left side to define which meetings you want to survey. Set your sample size, choose the meeting categories, meeting types, users and teams, and the date range you want to pull from along with the advisor's sample size. Here I've chosen to evenly distribute by advisor. You can also narrow it down by meeting length so you're only including the lengths of meetings you care about. Here you can also click Check Sample Count if you'd like to see how many meetings these filters apply to. Once everything looks good, click Run Flash Survey. Depending on the size of your sample, it may take a moment, but once it's finished, you'll see answers populate for each question. From here, you can review the responses and look for trends across your meetings. If you want to take the data with you, you can also download a CSV export from the top right or generate a report. And that's it. That's how to create and run a flash survey in Jump. If you need help, you can always reach out to support.